So guys, gonna show you how to get started on the Mullvad Browser VPN. But before I continue, don't forget to subscribe for more Mullvad process tutorials. So, of the previous video, we learned to install Mullvad Browser. Now open Mullvad Browser, and at the main home page, click on Mullvad VPN. This will lead you to this page, Mullvad VPN. But you want to buy a $5 VPN. Well, it's privacy focused VPN, no logging, and administrative accounts, and compulsory guided traffic analysis. So this is the VPN and Mullvad Browser. It gives you all about privacy, unique IP address, and identifies you, anonymous accounts, and total privacy accounts management. So this is pretty important if you want to keep your privacy enabled on Mullvad VPN. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.